Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $3.97 that I plan on putting into my envelopes. First, going to start off in my wallet, which I already figured out the amount for my wallet. It's going to be $170. So this week I'm putting in spending $30, eating out $30, groceries $80, coffee $20, and then buffer $10. So that's a total of $170 in my wallet for the week. All right, so that leaves me with $227 to put into all of my other categories. First, gonna start off with my roll the dice challenge. Here, I have this Hello Summer challenge that I made for my patrons over on Patreon. So it's an exclusive savings challenge that you can get over there if you join. I have, let's get some of the orange dice. Those are cute. Okay, so let's roll twice. Oh, actually I need a sticky note. Okay, I'm gonna roll twice. So we have 2 and 6, which is the watermelon, and that's $2. And then last roll, 3 and 6, the star, which is $1. Okay, so this challenge is getting $3 whole. It's a nice amount to start this challenge off for this month. So Hello Summer is getting 3. All right, perfect. Next challenge. I'm actually gonna come back to these challenges, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. Okay, so moving on to my binders. Let's see, priority envelopes for this week are going to be extra savings. I'm gonna put 10 in here. A month ahead will get 10. Auto will get 10. Okay, and subscriptions. Yes, subscriptions will get 10 because I do have a subscription due beginning of next month, so I need to make sure I have that amount soon for that annual subscription. Also, in here, I want to do Christmas. Yeah, okay. I think those are good. I might add a little bit more to some other envelopes, but for the most part, a lot of these are getting 5s. So electronics is getting 5. Emergency is getting 5. Okay, did that one. Furniture will get 5. Rainy day, 5. Registration, 5. Road trip. Ooh, actually I want to put 10 in road trip. Scentsy, 5. Okay, did that subscriptions, and then travel will get 5. Okay, next binder. Disneyland will get 5. Treat yourself, 5. Fun. I think this envelope's fine. Okay, 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas I already did, and holiday decor will get 5. And tires is fully funded at $600. All right, next binder, beauty. I actually want to put 10 in beauty because I only have 15. Clothing will get 5. Oh, I don't know if I just messed up somewhere. Okay, let me double check. Okay, I'm good. I thought I hit an extra button for some reason. Okay, Costco, 5. Family, 5. Oh, I want to do gifts, 10. Home, 5. household, actually I want to put 10 in here, and pantry will get 5. Target will get 5. Okay, that leaves me with 44 for some savings challenges. All right, first one up, I have this cash stash one. Each of these little sections is 10, so I'll do 10 in this challenge. That's $10. Oh, and then I have a new cash stash. Actually, I'll come back to this one. This is a new one where you get to color in all the little balls, and they all have different amounts. So this one I can pick and choose. That will be a decent one to, pretty easy one to pick a number towards the end. Okay, 100 envelope. So 100 envelope, I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do 10 this week for this one. And then I probably will have leftover money, so I can always use my leftover money to help with that one. Put a little bit more. Also, this is a $10 challenge, so I'm going to do $10 in this challenge. Okay, and then I have a $5 challenge, so I'm going to do 5. And then the $1 challenge, I could do 4. And then the cash stash 2 that I have in here, the new challenge, I can do 5. I can color on the 5 ball. 5. Okay, perfect. I'm happy with those amounts. So that should be $3.97. I'm gonna double check just in case I messed up anywhere. And then, yeah, just double check my numbers and then I can move on to the next step. My number looks good. So now I'm gonna figure out the denominations. Auto this week, I'm gonna get a 10. I have a couple 5s here, 10, 5, 10, lots, just 5s and 10s basically is what I'm pulling out of the bank this week. Okay, a bunch of 5s here, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 5, 10, 10, 5. Okay, $3 for Hello Summer. And then for a $10 challenge, I need a 10, $5 challenge, I need a 5, and then $1 challenge, I need 4. All right, now I'm just gonna count up the tallies. So 50s, I have 1, 20s, 3, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And then 1s, I have 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now I'm going to multiply these numbers together and then add everything up. So 50 times 1 is 50, 3 times 20 is 60, 10 times 17 is 170, 21 times 5 is 105, and then 12 times 1 is 12. Okay, so that is 50, 60, 170, 105, 12. Perfect. All right, so numbers look good. So now I can write out my little sticky note to give to the tellers. So 50s, I need 1. That's $50. 20s, 3. Oh, and I wanted to mention, if you watch my cash stuffing videos, it might be a little bit late compared to when I normally put it, just because I'm gonna go, I wasn't planning on going out of town this week, but something came up, so I will be going out of town. So I don't have enough time to film my content before I leave, because I'm literally gonna be leaving in an hour, and I don't have time to go to the bank, film, do all that, my whole process. So I will have a video up on Sunday. It'll probably just be later than I normally do on Sunday, but I'll have it up eventually. If you like watching that video, it'll be coming. Okay, so that is $3.97 total for this week, and that is going to be my cash plan for this week. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.